Hello everybody. Welcome to all that have come to the speech today. I am Stephanie Engels from the leftist party SSM. Today our candidate Sophia Bevers will give a speech on our goals and intentions for the European Union. These goals include measurement for LGBTQ+ rights and racial equality and measures to counter global warming. We are here to convince you all to vote for Bevers.
Hello everybody, I am Sophia Bevers from the party SSM, and today I am here to tell about our plans for the European Union. We live in turbulent times. We live in a time where people are discriminated against based on difference in skin colors, on different sexual orientations. We live in a time where people get discriminated against to who they are. We, SSM, want to make a change. We want to take more drastic actions against these forms of discrimination, and I am here today to tell you on what we are planning on doing. Starting off with LGBTQ+ rights. In the present day, people are being bullied, kicked out, treated differently for having a sexuality that is not considered the regular, heterosexual, or for identifying with a different gender than they are born with. By these we mean the transgender people and the non-binary people. These people are being alienated for no other reason than their sexuality and gender. At the moment, SSM is of the opinion that not enough action is being taken about this. We want to change this right as we come to power. One of the actions we want to take for this is setting up government-funded residences for LGBTQ+ minors that have been kicked out by their families after coming out. We believe that coming out has to be possible for everyone. We would love to see every LGBTQ+ member getting accepted, but unfortunately, there's no way for us to 100% guarantee that, as we cannot completely change the way folks think about LGBTQ+. Minors will get kicked out of their houses by their family for feeling different to what is considered normal. We want to provide a place to live for children, for teenagers like this. A small portion of taxes will go to a fund for this. From the fund, we want to build apartment blocks designated for LGBTQ+ youth in need. Because the residents in these apartment blocks are going to be fairly young and rather dependent, there are going to be staff members stationed there. Not only do we want to build the apartment blocks, we also want to provide better LGBTQ+ education for children attending primary school. LGBTQ+ has to get normalized, and this education should also help young children find out their personal identities and accept themselves for who they are. The next issue I want to discuss today is racial inequality. To this day, people still judge others based on their skin color, by, for example, assuming that harmful stereotypes are true and judging people based on them. People of color will get bullied and harassed and made fun of. We believe that we as a society are far too advanced to still let this happen. And we want to change this. We will enforce punishments on hate crimes and will no longer let verbal abuse go untouched. We will make stricter rules on discrimination in the workplace, for example, not hiring someone because of their skin color. We hope by enforcing these rules that Europe will be a better place for the people of all skin colors. And the last issue I want to shed light on today is climate change. Modern day society is experiencing huge problems, such as the ice caps melting, the temperature gradually getting higher, a few degrees each time, and the water level rising. After all the attention this has gotten in the media, it is quite well known that these problems exist to many people all over the globe. Yet we have failed to change this. Yes, small changes have been made so far, but according to SSM, not enough action has been taken, and we are here to make a change. Our party wants to spread awareness about these particular problems that are occurring and take some serious measures in order to stop global warming. For instance, we are planning on creating more stricter rules and regulations in order to make people stop polluting our planet. These include rules on cars and car productions and standards, and rules on agriculture. In addition to this, we want to invest in research for greener ways of transport, like hydrogen-fueled cars and alternatives in agriculture and meat production. If we can establish some big changes, we hope that we will manage to leave a better planet for the next generation, for our children. In conclusion, we want to take action for our people, for our LGBTQ+ citizens, for other citizens of colors, and for our planet. We are SSM, and we are here to make a change. Thank you all for listening.